Best way to scan document in mobile phone. Welcome to How to Doer. I'm Gogi from How to Doer. Today we're gonna talk about the best way to scan document in your mobile phone. If you have original documents of your mark sheet, if you have your property documents and you want to make the scan and want to keep safe on internet or your mobile phone, then how you can do? Because if we just take a photo and take a printout, that will show us a blackness under that and it's destroy the quality of the document. So how we can scan in document mode? Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon. Let's begin the video. First of all, what we have to do, 1 second, I gonna let you know. This is my mobile phone and I am going to the camera option, and over there you will see video, photo, and over there you will see a document option, and this is the book we want to scan. Go over there and you will see a yellow boundary over the page. If it fits, then just take a photo. Now its document is scanned. Now if you want to brighten it, just edit on it, adjustment and exposure, change the exposure, change the brightness, change the contrast, change the lightness. You can change according to yourself and its documents will start looking like a wow. Just save it and that's it. This one is your document. If you want to take a print, you can easily do so, and that's way you can scan. Best way was scanning your documents in your mobile phone or laptop. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more video like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day. Hope you like this video. Bye bye.